Five things you should never do after eating. After having had a satisfying meal, many of us just want to lie down for the rest of the night and watch a movie or TV show. But little do we know that this is really one of the worst things we can do after eating. 1. Sleep. Going to sleep right after eating causes your stomach to have heartburn during the night, which causes discomfort, swelling and strange sleep patterns. One study found that people who waited longer after eating to go to bed were less likely to have a stroke. 2. Smoking. Unfortunately for some people, it is very difficult to stop smoking. While it is probably one of the most damaging things you can do to your lungs, at least wait a few hours after eating if you are going to do so. This is because the nicotine in cigarettes joins the excess oxygen that is needed in digestion, and this allows your body to absorb more carcinogens than normal. 3. Showering. When we shower, our body increases blood flow to reach the hands, legs and body, which decreases the amount of blood flow to the stomach. 4. Eat fruit. You probably thought you could eat fruit at any time, right? Well, it's actually better to eat fruit on an empty stomach. This is because fruits require different enzymes to digest, and simple sugars in fruits need time to be completely absorbed by the body. 5. Drink tea. Drinking tea just after a meal interferes with the absorption of iron. Tannic acid in tea binds with protein and iron in our food, preventing our bodies from reaping the benefits of digesting them. This results in an 87% decrease in iron absorption.